The Disney Discovery Series presents ABCs. You can read along with me in your book. You will know it is time to turn the page when you hear the chimes ring like this. Let's begin now. A. Apples and acorns start with an A. Alice and apron start the same way. A is important, there's no doubt about it. We couldn't spell anything were we without it. There's a reason why that's true. Anything starts with A too.
B. B's for the basket, and berries and bear. B's for the bumblebee, B's for beware.
C. C is for spelling cookies or cat, and other words that sound like that. C's a very useful letter. In fact, you just can't find one better. And so for good old letter C, let's give 4 cheers instead of 3.
D. D is for dragon, breathing fire. D is for duck, in feathered attire. D is for dog, who's looking so glum. It's terribly loud when Doc plays his drum.
E. E is for Eeyore, whose name looks the same as Eeyore's rather floppy frame. 2 E's like ears begin our friend, and like his tail, one's at the end.
F. F is for fairy, whose color is blue. F is for foul fellow, hiding from view. Foolish fox, you're bound to fail. You forgot to hide your tail.
G. G is for Goofy, who works at the zoo. G is for Gertie Gorilla, there too. If Goofy keeps singing, Gert will be free. She'll open her cage when he finds the right key.
H. H is for Horace, having a bite. H is for Hippo, observing the sight. Just as Horace starts to munch, Hippo says, "May I join you for lunch?"
I. Ichabod says, "Students, we will now study I, which you see is for ice cream and ink. And you'll notice, I think, I is skinny and straight, just like me." J. "Oh dear," says Jiminy, "look where I am. If I fall in the jelly, I'll be in a jam."
K. K's for baby kangaroo, laughing with delight, hopping, jumping 10 feet high, flying his new kite. L. L is for Louie, with lion pursuing. L is for leaving, which Louie's now doing.
M. M is for Mickey. What will he do with milk and 7 mushrooms too? What is Mickey going to make? Will he bake a mushroom cake? The cashier says, "You know, I'll bet he's going to make an omelette." N. N is for our napping guest, says Dale. "Don't make a peep," says Chip. "It's Tinker in our nest. What a nutty place to sleep." O. O is for olives and oatmeal. Well, that's something new, says Owl to the breakfasting Winnie the Pooh. Each to his own, but I truly do feel oranges certainly have more appeal.
P. P is for pencil and pumpkin pie. P is for Peter Pan. P's for the patch on the pirate's eye. My goodness, did you ever see so many things that start with P?
Q. Q is for quilt, made of stuffing and silk. Q is for quart, the size of the milk. Under the quilt with the quart is the king, quickly pouring the milk without spilling a thing. R. R is for rabbit, who likes music by Bach. But he's going to run into some very hard rock.
S. S is for spring, but it's winter still, and icy winds still blow. But if our skier takes a spill, we'll see a flower in the snow.
T. T's for the turtle who's crossing the track. T's for the train going clickety-clack. If it wasn't for Tramp and his very brave swoop, our turtle life here would be now turtle soup.
U. The unicorn, which starts with U, is not in zoos for you to view. You'll only see him when you're near picture books like this one here.
V. V's for the violin Goofy just bought at Clarabelle's yard sale. Though Goofy's untaught in playing a tune on the fiddle or bass, he bought it to carry his lunch in the case.
W. W is for wig, supposed to fool a little pig. W is for the wet. The big bad wolf is going to get.
X. X is for the xylophone where Figaro's at ease. I know that tune. The song's well known. It's Kitten on the Keys.
Y. Y is for yawn. A big sleepy sigh. And Y is for yo-yo. But don't ask me why.
Z. Z is for zebra, who one day in June saw Mickey walk by with a plump striped balloon. Dear me, said the zebra, it's odd, but it's true. That balloon makes me think of my plump Auntie Lou.